A very warm welcome in Gurdeep's Cooking Passion, friends. Today I'm going to make the almond milk. I'm just wanted to show you how to make the almond milk. So I had taken here one bowl of almonds. I will soak these almonds. I had taken two measuring cups of water. I'll add here the water. We have to soak this just 8 hours. 8 hours to maximum you want one day or overnight. So friends, after 8 hours here our almonds are, and now first of all I'm going to reduce the skin of the almonds. After removing the skin, I will grind all the almonds by adding the 4 quantity of the almonds with water. So first of all I have to remove the skin of the almonds. So friends, I had peeled out all the almonds and I am going to chop or grind these out in the mixture jar. In the jar, I will transfer all the almonds in the jar. I had added the 1 glass of water and 1 glass I will add after grinding this. So I had taken here a strainer. It's actually a double strainer. You can it's a very thin or double strainer. Very small gaps are here in the strainer. If you don't have the double strainer or the very small gap strainer, you can also place here a strainer, then over the muslin cloth, and then put the milk over. But I will just add the milk because it's the good very thin strainer and it's a double. See, some grains of the almonds are here. I will again beat this or grind this out by adding in the jar. I will add this to the jar. I will add small quantity of water. I will add the half glass of water. Yes, and then I will grind and then I will add the whole water. So friends, finally I had removed all the grains out of this. Now I will add the whole glass of water and I will again grind this out. It's gone. It's done now. After straining this, if left something, you can also grind this by adding the water, or you can use this in any recipe of the almond chicky or whatever you want to make. But I will grind this out once more by adding the little water. So it's finally done. Almond milk is ready. I will use the almond milk in different recipes. So friends, almond milk is ready. It's very much nutritious, delicious and very useful also. You can also use this almond milk in chia seeds by making the puddings or the smoothings by using the chia seeds. I will also tell you the recipe by using the almond milk with chia seeds smoothie and the pudding also. One important message about the almond milk, friends, if you are making the almond milk by soaking the almonds, you just have to one thing in your mind, that when you are soaking the almonds, you have to put the almonds in the refrigerator, not outside the refrigerator. After soaking on the room temperature, it's guaranteed that in summers your when you will make the almond milk, that will gone fully or slightly bitter, right? So the most important thing is, when you are soaking the almonds, put the almonds in the refrigerator only, right? When you make the almond milk, use the almond milk in just one day, that day you are making, right? If you are making at night or the previous day, you can use that almond milk in the half of the day, right? Because almonds, extract of the almonds are here, right? And that will be gone wasted after, if you are not using that immediately, not immediately, even for one day. That's the shelf life of the almond milk. So these things should be in your mind while you are making almond milk. If you like my video, do give me thumbs up, like my video, share my video, and please subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you so much for keep watching my videos, and let's meet in the next video.